The last section of our application is orders. I want to display orders into two ways: new orders and completed ones. The UI will be similar to products. As you can see here, products and categories. I will create this two tab here for new and completed orders. So I will close all the tabs, then enter order screen. In order screen, scaffold, app bar, in the title, tab bar, controller. Top controller we create. It will be late. Init state we add. Then top controller will be top controller. Length will be 2. We think will be this, and we will add with single ticker provider state mix in here. Then top controller will be given there. Cool. Now tabs. Tab 1, text, new orders. The second one, completed orders. And we restart the application. New orders and completed orders. In the body part of our application, I will place tab bar view, controller, tab controller, children. I have to create two children here. Here in the order presentation page, order screen, and I just create it will be just order page, but the data will be different only, but layout is the same for new orders and completed orders. That's why I create only one files and call in the two places. Okay, so it will be like this: new orders, completed orders, order page, import material dart, stateful, order page. Here in a top controller, I passed order page twice. This is new orders, completed orders, the same layout. So, and here floating action button I should add. Floating action button, child icon, icons dot add, unpressed. We can add new order, or we can create new order from this button. Cool. How orders will be displayed here? It will be list view builder, right? List view builder, item builder. It will be cart. I should copy from table screen, maybe from table screen here. List view, show dialog, cart. Just copy this cart, order page. Here I will paste it. So here the order name will be order name, for instance. Then the below order name, That's it, I think. It will be a row, and as you can see it will be like this, and here at the end of the order I will place icons dot arrow right, arrow right. Something like that, and row will be main axis alignment, dot space between, and order name I will wrap with expanded. Cool. Order name, and they all are new orders. There will be completed orders. Whenever I create, I connect this to database, the data will be different. But now we're just creating the UI part. Whenever we click order, it should bring the order details, mean stocks, right? Stocks. So I will wrap this to gesture detector and on tap. I will tap here, on tap. Right, that's it for now. And whenever I click this plus sign, it should open new screen, because a lot of logic will be implemented there. That's why I create the new screen here. Dart file at create order, import material dart, then stateful widget, create order screen, and it will be road page, right? It will be road page. So that's good. Now I run Flutter pub run build runner build, and in the road path create orders, create order. Cool. It's generated or not? We'll see. Okay, in a rotor.gr dart file we should add create order screen, that's it. And in a rotor dart file we should register it, app orders, will be like this, order route, create order route page, create orders. Cool. Whenever this plus sign is clicked in the order screen, floating action button, right? Context router dot push name it route path dot create orders. It will be like this. I click, and first I should restart. I should restart, and then click plus sign. Oh, what happened? Cannot navigate to create order. Why? Create order, route pass. Router that it should be outside, I think. Somewhere here. I restart it, and then plus. What's happening? Cannot navigate to create order. Create orders. I see. Because we have not added auto route holder. It's like a router view in Vue.js. So auto route is the container, kind of container. The widgets will be replaced or will be pushed and popped here. It should be added. Or what we can do here is we just make create orders the main path, not the sub path, like this. It will be outside of app main route, so it will be there. Then when we click plus sign, the whole page will be covered with create order screen. Scaffold, app bar, title, text, create order, background color, colors.white, for instance. Here also background color will be colors white. Cool. That's cool. And now how we can create the order. The first of all, we should select a table. For instance, if I am a waiter, I will go to the table and just select the table, and then the customer says what he wants to eat or what he wants to drink, right? Then we should select the product. Now that's why here in the column, in the body, I will create a column and I will create a container decoration, or I just pat the cart, get from there, copy and paste here, cart. Then in the cart I will name it like select the table, or what we can do here is just show all the tables in the drop down. I'll do like this: drop down menu, no, drop down button, required items, on changed. Here will be drop down menu item. Child is text. It's just a text. table 1 for instance, right? Table 2, and value we should add value 1, value 1, value 2. It's somehow like this. Drop down. I will just cut drop down here. I don't need any card yet here. Something like that. Column should have the padding all 24. It's the table 1, table 1, table 2, etc. Well, I can show the tables here. I can show the tables here. How can I do this? Here, block builder, table block. I add the table block here. Block builder, table block. And in the table screen, here's the block provider, right? I will just cut this block provider from there, and I go to the injector, and here I will wrap this with multi-block provider, something like this. It will be providers and block provider, create block provider, create locator table block. It means whenever our application loads, it automatically requests the table and fetches all the table, fetches all the table. Then what happens? Whenever it fetches all the table, and if the user tries to create the order, table still exists. Whenever we go to the tables window, there also tables still exist. That's why I've been doing this solution here in the create order. Right, if state is loaded table state, then this drop down button should be displayed there. Else, return just sized box. Okay. And bool is tables loaded false whenever it's loaded, tables loaded true, otherwise it will be false. Cool. Whenever it loads, we should generate this length state dot tables dot length, then index will be drop down menu item, like this. Drop down menu item. I will remove this, and it will be state dot tables dot index dot name. Value will be state dot tables index dot id. Cool. Now I restart the application. Everything will start from scratch, and I create. There's a problem with drop down. state tables. Drop down menu items were detected with the same value. That's strange. What if we do it's like index? Cool. And what if I add plus id dot toString? It's the same value. 2, 3, 4, 5. How it can be started the same value? Oh no. Understood. Here value will be look, value will be like this. Bool is first lot. False. No, true. Yeah, it's first lot. If is first lot, then I should take one int selected variable. If it is first lot, selected will be equal to state dot tables index dot id. Otherwise, the index. Okay. Oh no. Tables dot first id, otherwise 0. Okay, and its first lot will be false. Then value becomes selected. When it change, selected set state, selected will be v. Drop down button int. Cool. Table 1, as you can see, it's changed, right? It's changing. We can easily select the table. Cool. We are selecting the table, and now after selecting the table, we should after selecting the table, we should add the product to the table, right? We should add the product. Okay. Add product. We need the button named add product. Elevated button. Elevated button. Text. Add product. When we select add product, all the products list should come. We should choose the stock. We will create the stock and the amount, right? Interesting. When we click the add product, I should show model bottom sheet, right? I should search the product. Then select it, right? Choose product. Choose product widget will be called here. Choose product. In a project here, I will create a Dart file. Choose product. Okay, add product. I will copy and paste to choose product. Replace all. Cool. I need one controller to choose, to search, I mean. Then the products. Text editing controller, we don't need. Padding, container, search the product, enter the name of the product, description, price, we don't need. Categories, we don't need. Elevated button. So add product. Okay. Creator, choose product. Create order. Add product. Search the product. Enter the name of the product. I should write the name of the product in order to search. We will search it whenever product shows, how it will be displayed on the screen. Here below this row, children, text, product name, for instance, product name, right? It will be in the expanded. Then here elevated button on pressed, child for and no, we don't need this add product here. Elevated button. We don't need this one. We need just the text. Something like this, product name. Should be in container, should be decoration, box decoration, border from border side. Oh no, border bottom border side colors dot black, padding and insets all 24. Width will be double infinity. Product name and margin. Margin, we don't need the margin. Colors dot gray 100, for instance. Okay, margin edge insets only top 8, for instance. We can show product like this. Cool. I think I have finished this part. When it shows here, I will copy this and in the create order screen, it's create order screen, right? Below the drop down I will paste it like this in box decoration text. It will be in a row. Elevated button unpressed, for instance, text plus and minus sign, and this text will be wrapped with expanded widget, and here I add some sized box width 4 and 4 here, plus and minus for product name. Okay, that's it. This container will be in a list view builder when we add. Now I will explain what happens here. Whenever we click the create button, it shows this without this product. We should select the table from being obtaining the orders. Then waiter should click the add product. It shows this search text field. Here we search in show model bottom sheet. We show model bottom sheet. Where is it? Here we should add is scroll control true. We search the product. The search result will be displayed as here. Whenever we click it, it automatically will be added here, and model sheet will be closed. Then we can increase the amount, decrease the amount, then save. Here in the action, here in the actions part, elevated button or icon button on pressed icons dot save, for instance, save. Whenever this save is clicked, all the data will be stored on the database and the page will be closed and the order will become visible here in the new orders. Whenever it requires to update some product amount or adding some product, we can easily enter by clicking this. It shows the same UI as a create order. Then we can update and save it. When the order is created, then we'll add here completed, or here we may add long press sign and mark this order as completed. Then it will be removed from new orders section, then it can move to the completed orders section. That's it for now. I created just UI. The next video we will do the logic part.